Yo, what's going on, everybody? Hey, I hope you're all doing great. And the sound is a million times better now, guaranteed. Yeah, just a little testy poo there, and she is pretty mint. I guess we could get that music level down just a tad. Wow, this is amazing. I went on some vacation time and came back to some pumpage. I hope you're all having a great time. God bless you all. Even a bit more, he's saying, I can get down with that. I can get down with that. How about that? Give me a 5x5 if you like it. I like it. Nice. Well. What do we have now? Hey, don't forget to keep score, okay? All those guys that told you it was over down here, right there where we called the bottom here and purchased and did it live. You know, it's funny because like, I'll save that one for later actually. But I wanted to just go through the logic again with some better sound and just kind of explain the thought process in what I was looking for to determine with a high probability that trend was shifting. And it was this puppy right here. So if you go into my essentials playlist, which is free for everybody, it's on YouTube here, go in there, and that there, the essentials, short little clips, if you go and hunt those in this profile here, you will see these things materialize. Okay, you will see them present in this chart. And this is how I forecasted us to come up here. Believe it or not, price offers discount and then goes up for premiums. This is how I was able to say with a high degree of probability and confidence that ETH was going to reprice here. And we stalked this puppy, calling out just about every weekly candlestick along the way. Now, breaking rates aside, let's go into a futures chart where I call this one the open rect model. It's where the CME futures contract opens in people's short stop losses. I call that opened rect. If you play futures markets, Chicago Mercantile Exchange, if you play that, don't hold trades overnight, especially not over weekends, because these gaps are well, they're predictable now that we trade overnight on the crypto market, but you know what I mean, like NASDAQ, don't do it. Don't hold overnight, don't hold weekends. And this is why right here, bam, ETH is going to reprice here, the open float. If you don't know what the open float is, it's okay. Just call it like, trust me bro resistance, okay? So all the people that called it over and they're like, oh, ETH is never gonna come here. This is what we call trust me bro. Trust me, bruh. Okay, and the reason why is because it goes boom, 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 and they're like, oh, it's never gonna come here. Trust me, bro. Put your stops here, right? And then when it's down here and they consider the selling pressure, well, when is the selling pressure over? When we say it's over. Weekly swing low in a discount, breaking market structure, buy every single dip you possibly can. There is literally nothing beyond my essentials playlist that I use to do this with. Premium and discount markets, swing lows, swing highs, and trend analysis. That's it. Very simple. And some time too, but yeah. So where do we go from here? Well, I really like this index chart. It's my favorite. So next spot, bam. And this is where the hedge funds will be fired. Now here's the beautiful part. They're going to be blaming Trump. They're going to go, oh, well, blah, 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 and Trump, and maybe save their job because maybe their boss doesn't like Trump too. But I guarantee they're just going to be orange man, banana bad again. So, whatever. So check this out. When we were hanging out last, I was mentioning, like, when we take this pool of liquidity and leave this one alone, see that double top? Well, it's like a hextuple top or sextuple top or something crazy, right? The stops are here. So I like when it trades down. It's taken this pool of liquidity here, and you'd be asking me, Master Friend, how do you know there's liquidity there? It's just logical. It's pure logic. Price went down. So where's the stop losses? They're above equal highs here, here, and single highs. And all the cheeky buggers who had their stops here, when price was reaching, they start moving them up here and then beyond. So price will make a bearish engulfing candle. They'll feel on side for a minute and then wham, right into them. That's how I did it. That's how it's done. You can do this in every time frame, by the way. Yeah, maybe I said too much. But go and study. Price goes down underneath old lows. Best place to be a buyer. God bless you if you bought that, and God bless you if you sold into the. You guys gotta understand. If you're short, you sold the market, so you have to buy it to cover. So that means everybody buying up here in a short position, that's their buy stops. You're in a long, and you have to sell, and you're in a marketplace. So if you want to sell at a premium after buying the discount, well, you sell to these willing buyers with their hands already open in the market. Please come and take my money. And you're like, oh, you signed the same paper I did. No problem. Let's do a trade. And that's trading in a nutshell. So I'm just going to go through some of this chat here. Yeah, we're dropping emojis tonight. Peacock around you guys, pat yourself on the back. You guys that held through absolute horror the last few years, me and myself included, we're all in this together. And, you know, if you feel like you've missed out on a lot of it, Pulse Chain's cheap, GMF is cheap, check it out. You don't have to miss out on everything. And some things are gonna pump, and some things are still cheap. In my humble opinion, once Ethereum starts hitting about $5,000 to $7,000, this is what's going to be the catalyst for the rest of the altcoins that have a community and actually have some sort of utility to them. God bless you all. Thank you all for joining, and we will see you in a week from now, as long as we do something cool. Peace.